In Yakutia, on the banks of Lena River, lies the Lena Pillar Nature Park. For its uniqueness, the park is on the UNESCO World Heritage List and well known to any nature lovers and adventurers. The Lena Pillars stand along the river for almost 40 kilometers. Being almost 200 meters high, they look like a stone forest or a Gothic castle with sharp spires. Paleontologists have found bones of mammoths and other prehistoric animals in the area. Archaeologists continue to study sites of ancient people, their tools, jewelry, and paintings on rocks. For millions of years, nature has been taking a creative approach in shaping the Cambrian limestones, using erosion and dramatic changes in temperature to form this impregnable wall. Of course, there are many legends about the pillars. Locals consider them to be frozen deities that are waiting for their time to come, so that one day they can return to the people and teach them how to live in harmony with nature. Another story is about a dragon that was fought by a young warrior to save a fair lady. The dragon was almost defeated, but at the last moment it struck the ground with its tail and turned everything into stone. Finally, the Yakuts have their own story about a Bigfoot that lives here. They call him Ulmesh. Some say he attacks hunters, others that he helps them when they are in trouble. The Lena Pillars are beautiful at any time of the year. Each season creates its own atmosphere and touches of color. This flight is taking place on a hot summer day. During the day, depending on the illumination, the pillars look very different. When there is no wind, you may even admire their reflection in the Lena River. As it is with many other nature parks, getting to the Lena Pillars is not easy. You have to take a boat to reach them. There are also cruise ships coming here from Yakutsk city. Our video makes it easier for you to survey these unique objects and will probably encourage you to travel here and see this beauty for yourself.